this video, we will take you through the process of creating secondary users, divisions, and posts for the organization. Open www.gem.gov.in, click on Login. To create secondary users, primary user needs to log in with his or her credentials, that is user ID and password. Click on Submit. You will be now directed to the home page. Click on Users. Now, primary user needs to create divisions for the same. Click on Manage Divisions and then click on New Divisions. Primary user has to fill division information so that secondary users can be associated with it. If division you are creating has the same address as the organization, click on the checkbox, else you have to provide new details. For reference, we are selecting the checkbox and as address same as organization. Now write down the name of your division and click on Add to proceed. Now, as you can see on the screen that your division has been added successfully. If required, primary user may edit the details of the division anytime or deactivate the same. Click on Add Secondary User to create the post. Click on Manage Post. In the Post Management screen, you have to create roles. Write down the designation of the name. Write down the designation of the official. Then select from the drop-down option available for the divisions. Please note that the division selected will be the address for that particular user. Select role for the user. Buyer and consignee role can be assigned to the same person but cannot be clubbed with the paying authorities. For user ID, it is advised that ID be on the basis of designation or department. Official email ID must be a GOV or an IC or gembuy.in email ID on which secondary user will receive an activation link. Fill all the details and click on Add Post. A message will pop up stating that post has been added successfully and an activation link sent. You can see the added post here, which is inactive. Now, secondary user needs to activate him or her by clicking on the link received on the email ID as shown on the screen. Click on Verify Me Now to verify the same. Post this, secondary user has to enter the Aadhaar number and mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar and verify the same. Click on Verify Aadhaar. Secondary user will receive an OTP in this mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar. Click on Verify. Aadhaar and mobile number verified successfully. Click on Close. Now, secondary user have to create a password for the account. After confirming the password, click on Create Account. And now, secondary user account is successfully created. Now, primary user has to again create paying authority for the organization if required.